Welcome to our analysis of Sendcloud, an all-in-one shipping platform for e-commerce businesses. Sendcloud streamlines the process of shipping products and handling returns, allowing businesses to save time and enhance customer experience. It connects online retailers to a multitude of carriers globally, providing them with a variety of shipping options. Sendcloud is packed with features that make it a robust shipping solution. It offers seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms, allowing businesses to automate their shipping process. It also provides a convenient return portal for customers, advanced analytics to help you optimize your shipping strategy, and personalized tracking emails and pages to improve your brand experience. Sendcloud operates on a subscription-based pricing model. It offers three plans: Essential, Business, and Premium. The Essential plan is free and offers basic features suitable for small businesses. The Business plan, priced at $39 per month, includes additional features such as branded tracking mails and pages. The Premium plan, costing $89 per month, offers all features, including priority support and custom integrations. Sendcloud is ideal for e-commerce businesses of all sizes. Small businesses can benefit from the free Essential plan to streamline their shipping process. Medium-sized businesses can opt for the Business plan to get access to more features like branded tracking mails. Large businesses or those with specific needs can go for the Premium plan, which offers custom integrations and priority support. Sendcloud provides several advantages. It simplifies and automates the shipping process, saving businesses valuable time. It also enhances customer experience through its convenient return portal and branded tracking mails. Moreover, it provides businesses with insights through its advanced analytics, helping them optimize their shipping strategy. Despite its numerous benefits, Sendcloud does have a few limitations. It currently supports a limited number of e-commerce platforms for integration. Also, while it connects with many global carriers, the availability of these carriers can vary based on your location. Lastly, although it offers a free plan, the more advanced features are only available in the paid plans. In conclusion, Sendcloud is a comprehensive shipping solution that offers a range of features to streamline and optimize the shipping process for e-commerce businesses. Its benefits certainly outweigh its limitations. However, businesses should assess their specific needs, the e-commerce platforms and carriers they use, and their budget before deciding if Sendcloud is the right fit for them. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. Sendcloud is a versatile shipping platform with a variety of features and pricing plans. It's great for e-commerce businesses of all sizes, but its suitability may depend on your specific needs and circumstances. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.